is advising Bobrisky? Let me ask again. Oh, who is advising Bobrisky? Okay, so the report reaching the internet is that Bobrisky just lost his case against the EFCC. A federal high court sitting in Lagos has thrown out a fundamental rights suit filed by crossdresser Okuneye Idris Olarewaju, also known as Bobrisky, against the EFCC. Daily Post recalls that Bobrisky had sought 200 million from the EFCC for psychotic trauma and demanded 1 billion from the National Assembly for the violation of his right to a fair hearing. The crossdresser also asked the court to restrain the EFCC and the National Assembly from harassing, detaining, or declaring him wanted. Bobrisky has been embroiled in controversy after social media influencer Verydarkman put out his audio recording alleging that he paid the FCC 15 million to drop money laundering charges against him. Justice Alexander, while delivering judgment on the case, held that Bobrisky's claims of rights violations lack merit and were unsupported by credible evidence. The EFCC's spokesman, Dele Oyewale, disclosed this in a statement on Friday. Having evaluated the evidence placed before this court by the applicant, it is evident that the applicant has failed to provide credible evidence to justify the award of the declaratory and injunctive reliefs sought by him. I hold that the claims of violation of fundamental rights against the first and second respondents were not made out of the affidavit evidence placed before this court. The applicant's claim against the first and second respondents lack merit and are accordingly dismissed, the judge ruled. Justice Owoeye also refused to award damages against the EFCC. Now, I want to ask, what was Bobrisky thinking? He thought that he will win this case? Like, I don't get it. Okay, fine. Let's assume the courts agreed and asked the FCC to pay him for damages and the rest of it, or House of Assembly to pay Bobrisky damages and the rest of it, or do you think, do you think that they will comply? Do you think so? You can't fight the government and expect a win. In fact, the way I'm seeing this, this has complicated Bobrisky's case. You see that place that he is, he should just remain there. Oh. He should not just step his feet in Nigeria. Right from the airport, that's why they will just wallet him straight back to wherever they want to put him, where he came out from, the back and forth dragons and everything, back and forth in and out of prison, jail. No, 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 no. This year has been a bad year for Bobrisky. Ha! If he had known, you see that best female dress, he wouldn't have gone there at all. That was the beginning of his problem. See how people reacted, though. This person said, taking all the L's. Chai, make this guy no go by himself. Oh. Depression is real. Oh. Since this year, the guy never rests. Do we think that Bobrisky can be depressed? I don't think so. Anyway, everything is possible. But the Bobrisky that I'm seeing, the one that has been ranting from wherever he is, according to Tosin Silverdam, a popular Instagram blogger, he said that Bobrisky is not in London, or as we think, or as he made us to believe that Bobrisky is in, I think, Amsterdam or something like that, seeking for asylum. I don't know how true or legit that gist is, but when Tosin brought that on the internet, people were like, "Mind your business. What's your business? We don't need the full detail. Don't just disturb our ears with your gist, whatever." That was how we locked up. I said, "Okay, no problem. Since you guys are not interested, in the gist, let him kukuma close his mouth, shut it, and face his front. So that is now, since he did not go into details, let me add allegedly, and no fish out. I get boy for truth. Bobrisky has been giving us content back to back. If you're not following him, if you are, just always be checking his Instagram story. That's where he dropped, like the latest one he dropped now nails where he drew, and those nails are fine. How this guy kept on with this lifestyle, eh? Now wow, it's not easy to maintain a fake lifestyle, oh, but this one has proved me wrong. See what this person said. His girlfriend Atiku allegedly will advise him further. Yay, okay, oh, I know they there. Another person said, make he no come back Nigeria, of course. And make he no enter USA. Exactly. Because if Donald Trump catch him, it won't be funny. He should just remain in Hey. No, no, just condemn him like that too. Like, no, no, just write Bobrisky off. Everything is possible. Anything is possible. There's nothing God cannot do. One day like this, you may just wake up and see Bobrisky changed, like doing the normal thing as a man, wearing the normal garment as a man, his hair cut and everything. Let's not just write him off because I don't believe in writing people off. I believe that giving them chance, second chance, third chance, chances for them to write their stories and retrace their steps back. It's fully possible. So this person is saying you should go to Ez Abeg, make you no go Ez, I may no go by there. Another person said, if our system really they do well, things like Bobrisky no get any right to file anything against anybody for this country, and lawyers not supposed pick that thing call. Oh, na format to get him matter off book. EFCC and Bob the art film for honor. It's possible, oh, it's possible because believe anything you see on the internet, anything you hear on the internet, majority of them, guys, at your own risk. You see this Bobrisky's case, when I forget that the case don't buy. The case don't buy. Bobrisky don't jump back come up for Naija. Now so slowly, bam. It is well, oh, I wish them all the best, but Bobrisky should just retrace his steps back. That life that he's living. Some people supporting Bobrisky, that is lifestyle. They can never support their kids, their children to live that same lifestyle. Is the double standard for me, anyways. Africans, Nigerians with their double standards. It is well, Lord. That being said, guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Please do give this video a thumbs up, massive likes, comment, and share so that this video will get the visibility that it needs. In case you're watching for the first time, this is Loudly Gist over YouTube. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. On this channel, we react, analyze, we give trending gist, celebrity news, true crime, and true crime stories. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. Bye bye for now. As I'm signing up for my next one. Peace out. I love you all. Bye.